There are a lot of drawing tablets out there, but which one is right for you? I've made that decision as easy as possible by creating my list of the top 9 tablets to buy in 2020. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Aaron Rutten, and it is my mission to help artists like you enjoy digital art and learn about the latest digital art gear. So let's jump into this review starting with the least expensive tablets, and we'll work our way up to the more high-end tablets. This is not a sponsored video, but Wacom did send me some of these tablets unconditionally to review as I please. As always, all opinions in this video are my own. Alright, so I know we're not very far into 2020, but a lot of these tablets were released in 2018 and 2019, so we may not see another version of these in 2020. Starting at number 9, we have the One by Wacom medium version. The One is about as basic as it gets for drawing tablets. It lacks many of the advanced features of the other tablets in this list, but it includes all of the essentials you'll need to make digital art. There's a pressure-sensitive pen with over 2,000 pressure levels that you can use to draw on the tablet, and the tablet surface has an active drawing area of 8.5 by 5.3 inches. There is a smaller version of the One by Wacom, but I don't recommend purchasing a small tablet if you're going to be using it primarily for drawing or painting. A small tablet is okay for small gestures like you would use for photo editing or annotation, but it's much more comfortable to draw on a larger surface with larger gestures if you can. Even though the One by Wacom is one of Wacom's most affordable tablets, it still offers the same top-notch drawing experience as the more expensive tablets that we'll look at in just a bit. The One by Wacom does not offer a display that you draw directly onto. Instead, you have to draw on the tablet, which connects via USB to your computer, and then you look up at your computer monitor to see what you're drawing. Number 8 is a small step up with the Wacom Intuos 2019 medium version. The Intuos has an identical active drawing area to the One by Wacom, but it offers a few additional features such as 4,000 pen pressure levels, 4 handy express keys which can be programmed to perform shortcuts, and there's an option for connecting the tablet to your computer wirelessly with Bluetooth. You can even connect the Intuos to select Android devices to draw on your phone using a portion of your drawing tablet surface. It also comes bundled with software that you can use for making art and editing photos. The Intuos is twice as expensive as the One by Wacom, so you'll have to weigh whether the express keys and additional pressure levels are worth it. I'll share my opinion on that near the end of this video. My number 7 pick is the Wacom Intuos Pro 2nd generation medium, or the large version. This is the Pro version of the Intuos with top-of-the-line features and specs. At 8.7 by 5.8 inches, the medium Intuos Pro is only slightly larger than the regular Intuos medium, but the large Intuos Pro has a whopping active area of 12.1 by 8.4 inches. Because it's Pro, it's obviously more professional. It supports Wacom's best pen, the Pro Pen 2, which has over 8,000 pressure levels, and can support pen tilt, which gives you more control over the shape of your brush. For example, if you're drawing with a pencil, you can use tilt to angle your pencil to shade with the side of it. The Intuos Pro also supports other types of Pro pens like the Art Pen, which can sense barrel rotation. Pen tilt and rotation make a huge difference if you're a pro illustrator. It just feels so much more natural to draw and paint with these features. The Intuos Pro has a rougher surface compared to the smoother surface of the Intuos and One by Wacom. I personally prefer a surface with a bit of friction because it feels closer to drawing on paper, but it's not for everyone. Fortunately, you can change the feel of the pen and the surface of the tablet with optional nibs and surface textures. The Intuos Pro also offers 8 express keys and a touch wheel. Plus it supports touch gestures, which can be used to pan and rotate your page, and zoom in and out. The Intuos Pro can be connected with USB or Bluetooth. This is the end of the line for tablets without a display. From here on out, we'll be looking at tablets that have a built-in display that you can draw directly onto.